Hard to reach places? No problem. And retraction, there's not much you can't accomplish with the DOCA pole. Tasks you never realized you had. Tasks that bear the fruits of your labor. And even tasks that, with a little imagination, you never thought you would undertake. So whether it's an easy task in the interior of your home, a strenuous task on the exterior, or even your car, DOCA pole has it covered and lets the light shine in even through the dirtiest of windows. DOCA pole.